Let's see if that works. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. Cool, cool, cool. Now you should be able to hear me. Hey, Yoram, how's it going? Tomik, Obed. So many cool people right now. How has your morning been or afternoon been? It's me, Binary. Yoram, did you change your name? Binary, what happened to you? I'm doing good. I had a really good breakfast. Um, got a coffee, drinking water. It's a good day. It's a good day today. It's a good day to do some things, get shit done. Ooh, you're gonna have a review coming in 3 weeks. Is that the yearly review or a bi-yearly review? Something that comes with a promotion or something? Is that the one? Yoram says I got lost in my toilet. That's sad, but probably you're used to it. I'm not sure. You're a trainee software engineer. Okay, okay, then I wish you all the best because yes, reviews are absolutely important. Also, your experience with your peers as well, not to forget. In any case, all the best. We hope that it goes amazing for you. All right, I'm gonna quickly share uh stream and then we are going to start right away. What was the other one? Cool, cool, cool. I'm a bit scared though. Mm, happens, happens. I've been there. I've been there. Just be confident. Try to take some time to pick your best work, and I think you will be good. You should be good. Nothing to worry about. It's just yeah, just something that happens. I think you're gonna get used to it. Gonna get used to it. So where were we? So last night I was working as a like a maniac um on a project that I thought I would be demoing in early today, but then I checked the invites again and there were actually two different invites. So I didn't have to do that. But yeah, that happened. That actually happened. Did I run all of the yarn thingy thingy thingy? It looks like it. Let's do a yarn start. Hey Shri, how are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, my friend. Binary, I don't have any experience with Python whatsoever, so I'm not sure if I can help there. But maybe just post it on our Discord. Maybe someone knows from the chat. Or the people watching right now, you may be able to help out your RAM or Binary per se. But I'm probably not the right person to talk about this. Maybe to load ES module, which is this. Require of ES module is not supported and it's trying to access it from where exactly? Okay. And this started happening after our upgrade to Angular version 13, right? I'm probably sure that that's what happened. Hmm. I just need someone to try running the script to see if it's working. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to this weekend because I've got tons of things to do. So maybe you can post it on Discord and maybe someone can pick it. If I got a chance, I would, but I'm not too sure if I'm gonna have time to. Good to see you too, Shrey. How are you doing today? We're gonna be looking into. So I was looking into Postnet. I'm not sure if you were here last night, but I was working on. Um, I'm working on this application in which I'm trying to access camera, and that helps with the posture detection. So, um, what the package that I was using, that is a bit outdated or it is deprecated in favor of other packages. So I'm now looking into the new package, the TensorFlow package, and trying to integrate that. And it seems like we are having some issues, like from the compiler CLI and whatnot. So let's see if we need to do any ng update. And in the meantime, hey, this is a chat where we talk, share, ask questions, share our experiences as well. So make sure to do so. Make sure to take the best advantage of this chat. But yeah, I want to learn Angular in 2022. What do you say? I say, let's go. Let's do it. Definitely. The thing is, I might need to not use yarn and do node modules and then do npm install because I think some of the packages are from npm. So Shrey, I would say you pick one of the things. And hey, everyone who's watching, if you like this stream, make sure to give a thumbs up, react on the stream, whatever. Just say hi in the chat, talk to people. Building communities is one of the most amazing things that I've done. And talking in communities is what has helped me in my career a lot. So make connections, talk to different people. That is the whole idea of this stream. So yeah, don't be shy and say hi. So about Angular, I think there are a couple of ways to do that. Shrey, you could get a really good tutorial from Udemy. I haven't created anyone, but I might be creating a tutorial or maybe a course for 2022. I already have some things in mind. I'm gonna have to discuss this with. I'm gonna get some reviews from someone from Angular team because I'm usually in touch with them. So I'm probably gonna get some ideas from them or kind of validation across my um, yeah the essentially the layout that I have or the syllabus that I have for the course. But then I should be able to create something. But if you want to get started, I would just say that just go to angular.io and then start from there. Um, but in terms of opportunities, there are many opportunities, especially around enterprises or large scale applications. So definitely yes from my side. Hmm. Let's quickly see one quick thing. Food selling app in Flutter. Okay. Okie dokie. Hey Lasif, welcome. Did you sleep well? Did you have a good sleep? And what about your exam? You did have an exam, right? Did you did you do well in the exam, Lasif? If I'm correct, you had a test. Maybe you had a test yesterday or maybe the day before. How did it go? You butted 7? Ooh. From how many? Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Asfar. Afsar. How are you doing? Should I have a strong foundation with JavaScript before starting out with Angular? No. It would help you if you did, but not essentially. I mean, you can get started with Angular without knowledge of JavaScript, as long as you can pick things, right? So I wouldn't say that you absolutely need it, but it would be good if you can. I would suggest do these things in parallel, like try out JavaScript, do some codes on JavaScript, and yeah, look along that. That would be my suggestion. Start. Let's see. Hopefully this works well. Out of 12, you got 7. That's really good. That's pretty darn good. Congratulations. Compiler ES module is not supported. I'm gonna have to see this error now. It seems like this is something related to the upgrade that we just did. If this works out, we are good. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna revert my changes. We don't have much time to actually. Okay. But spot not good enough. Yeah, looks like Birdspot doesn't like 7. It was in math? Ooh, let's go. Awesome. That sounds really good. That sounds really good. I'll close this issue now. Just in the next 13. Thanks for or so it seems like there's something absolutely wrong with Angular v13 and we cannot upgrade to it. So we're gonna have to roll back. We can't go with Angular 13 unfortunately. So let me see. So I'm gonna do a git log. Okay. Then I have to see this guy. So I might have to just roll back the changes there, migrate it to Angular v3. We don't need that unfortunately. So we're gonna go to this commit, git reset, soft. Okay. Then we are going to see. Then we are going to remove some changes. So we gotta see some things here. So Angular is version this, but we also added our own TensorFlow thingy. So I'm gonna copy this TensorFlow thingy, and then I'm gonna revert the changes that we just did. So main.ts, what did we change? Apart from preserve white space false, nothing was changed. So that's good. Polyfills, they removed support for IE. I would actually remove the support for IE personally. So this is the change that we had. This is the change that we had. Um, I'm gonna actually do all of this. I'm done to summer and after that I go to something called Tech College. That sounds good. And you're gonna take your major as computer science, right? Is that what you plan? So let's see the package JSON that we have. It has a lot of changes like this. So maybe we don't need all of this. We're gonna just keep the ones that we just added. So package log JSON goes away. Package JSON goes away. Yarn.log don't need it. Yarn error don't need it. Get ignore maybe. Yeah, let's keep this one for now. Then we got package log.json. Yeah, that goes away as well. Yarn log goes away. And then we got main ts, polyfills, collecting. All of these can stay. And let's quickly have a look at package.json. I'm gonna add these back and run rm rf node modules and npm install. So let's see. I plan to be a web developer. They have education called that. That sounds good. That sounds good. If that is what you're interested in, absolutely. I mean, there are two aspects of becoming a software engineer. One is money. There's a lot of money in it, yes, but also second is interest, or you could call it, if it's innovation or it's part of innovation, and if you're interested in this, then definitely. Because if you're not interested in it, if you're just coming in for money, you're only gonna go too far, or maybe not too far. But yeah, that depends. If you are really interested in web development, then you're gonna go very far. Ubaid Nadeem says, I. What do you mean by I? And how about you, everyone? What are you working on these days? Are you working on anything cool that you want to share on the chat? Are you building anything cool? And having this in my hand, I recalled I need to. I'm waiting for my Hacktoberfest swag. So it looks like I was able to do it, finish the challenge. So now we are good. Hype style, yes. Everyone on Facebook, make sure to leave your reaction on the stream. That really helps. That's the only way you can help the stream right now. There's nothing else. You're not transferring me money or anything, you folks. So so yeah. Um, it's a full stack framework. Gonna try it. What is a full stack framework? Did I miss your message? I don't see your message. Which is a full stack framework? Is that a full stack framework? Or is it hype style that you're talking about? Hype style is not a full stack framework. Hype style is something that Lasif created for his love for CSS. Django, yeah. It looks like I'm missing some messages from YouTube. How is that possible? I should have I should have seen all of the message. Let's see. I also work on something called emojis JS. Aren't are there not too many emojis JS already? Why are you working on another emoji JS? Why? What does it do? Oops. Oops, 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 oops. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I'm missing any messages. You said I is a full stack, blah 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 blah. I didn't see any missing messages. When did the Django thing started? Redwood JS. While we are talking, there's gonna be some JavaScript framework being created. Has anyone tried? What's the latest framework that has been created with JavaScript? Redwood is full stack. Okay, sounds good. Which is the new framework about JavaScript that was released? What's it called? It's probably called Remix. Do you want me to try Remix and then maybe share how that looks like? Remix run. We're gonna have to see actually. You know, I think I saw Kenzie Dodds Remix Ethereum IDE. Is this the one? Hmm. Close this. Scripts, blah blah blah. This is not the one, most likely. It's not probably the one. Leave. It's Remix JS or something. Remix run, yeah. I think you're right, Lasif. Focus on web fundamentals and modern UX. You're simply going to build better websites. It looks a bit like React. We're gonna have to actually. Yeah, Fireship creates videos about everything before everyone. I saw the video as well. It was like 100 seconds or remix in 100 seconds. But yeah, I know what you mean. All right, everyone, let's get to what we were building. So I'm going to have to disable my camera so we can have a look at. Yeah, remix looks cool. One day he also creates a video about hype style. Yes. Yeah, most likely yes. So I'm going to quickly go to camera and disable it so we can use that in our stream. Oh, not in stream, but in our application. And here we should be able to run this once our package is created, of course. And we were having some issues like long and whatnot. Yes, I remember this. Hash utils, and there was something like this that we needed to put here. And then it was fine. But this is something that they have to fix in TensorFlow. But yeah, let's see. Let's see if this works. The only reason I was updating this to Angular 13 was with Angular 12. Or actually, what I can do is that I can turn off Angular 12, turn off differential loading. So I think it was something like this. Last two versions. So that's ES5. Let's see. Target differential. Upgrading for performance. Okay. Seems interesting. Yeah, definitely give this a try and let me know how you find it actually. Let's see. We're gonna have to probably fix compiler options, and then we do have target ES5. But yeah, let's make it work now, then we'll fix it. Let's see. So here we were doing p.setup, then we were doing something like this, and then we were doing something like this. All right. And then we got this, got the video, and we gave estimation config. Now it says pixel passed to from must be either HTML video element, HTML image element, HTML canvas element, image written browser, or off-screen canvas, image written web burger. So that means we don't even need to provide a video or use P5, right? But that's interesting because if we don't do so, this video itself, when we create this, then we got constraints. We create a canvas. Then we have this webcap container. Then it creates a create capture. It gets the video itself. So maybe I don't know. Let's see. So we got the webcam container here. Okay. So we probably need to create another video. Are you good with Linux, Taishi? I think to some extent, yes. What do you want to ask? So I'm gonna say TensorFlow video. Let's actually get this guy and then provide this to our boy here. We're gonna say something like inside of this dot video, we can say document dot get element by ID tf video, and let's see if this works out for us. Yeah, binary knows everything. You can definitely ask binary. 100%. How is my day? Really good. Just chilling. We are working on something cool, which is Angular and machine learning. So we are working on a posture detector, but we are now working on a newer version per se of the posture detector. Now it says okay, and then we got this dot video, and then we got this. I actually what does it say? HTML element is missing the property from HTML video element. Shouldn't it be HTML video element? As because it should be, oh, it should be a video element. So maybe, yeah, let's have a look at their documentation again. This is Angular ESLint. This. All right. Then in the demo, we should have live video, source. No, not the source, but exactly index.html. And here we do have a canvas wrapper. Then we have this video. So essentially, this is what we have. So let's use this in the HTML and see how that works out for us. So this is going to be a video. We're going to use the same class called TF video. But then we also need to do not the video, but this. Let's see. Would you recommend side loading Linux on my main PC with Windows? Yeah, definitely. There's no issue with that. You can definitely side load it. You can experiment, and if it fails, you'll still have experience, you know? So don't be worried about, if it's gonna go well or not. Just chill. So it's gonna now get estimation config, flip horizontal, and what now? Did we get another error? ROI width cannot be 0, it says. So post detection, we pass it. We're gonna see what this means. What does this mean? Should be TensorFlow. We will not be supporting PostNet in future. Please check out MoveNet. That's sad. That's really sad. And this was exactly around September. So it's actually around the time B started implementing this. But okay, if you want that, then sure. The demos folder. Let's see. Gonna go to live camera demo. upload a video, MoveNet model entry. So essentially this should work. What's your AngularJS bookmark folder? This one. Oh, that is a bookmark from like years. Angular 1 style guide, AngularJS app with Stripe payments and whatnot. It's so old. I don't even remember when it was created. It's too old. Save your data to external drive and make partition with Linux and retrieve your data from external drive. Yes, that could be one of the things. Yes. Is there a risk of deleting everything on Windows? As Obed says, I think you can do it without any issues. So I think you should be good. So this is actually, guys, this is actually what we try to achieve. Hey. So this is what we are trying to achieve right now. We're going to be using MoveNet for this. So let's see. Go to the demo folder, then cache, then build dev, then yarn, watch, blah, blah, blah. So we actually need to get the MoveNet model entry. Where is this a demo? Yes, it's a demo as well. Yeah, it's a demo. So let's see. We're gonna have to use live video, index.html for, and is this MoveNet? No. Live video, index.html. Then we got the video element here, okay. Then we have some other files here as well. Then we gotta see the source file. So we have index, camera, other files here as well. So the camera itself has pose detection and then scatter.gl and then params, is mobile, anchor points, color palette. They get the video, they get the output, then they create a context, then they use scatter.gl container, they start a scatter.gl, and what happens then? Then they set up the camera, they create a video. What Linux would you recommend? I'm not really good with Linux, but Ubed can tell. Ubed, what Linux version do you use? Yeah, Taishi, that makes sense. I mean, if you're trying to learn the CLI, that is probably the right way to do so. All right, so we got the video config here, then we create a camera, then we create a stream, then we do a lot of things here. Then we draw context, then we clear the context, draw results, then the draw results with draw key points. We send the key points there, and then we do some other stuff here as well. Okay, that makes sense. Mm-hmm. Draw a skeleton. So we are doing a lot of things here. We might have to use this later, but I'm not sure if I can implement this really quick. Especially before the demo, you know? Is someone in the chat helping me? Yes, let me quickly set up the stream bot to reply, to re-forward the replies. Let me see. So bot relay mode. Obed, can you resend your message, your last message? Actually, I can share from that. So Obed essentially says, I use Ubuntu Linux. That's what Obed says. So Taichi, maybe that helps you. All right, let me have a quick look into one thing. So once we get this video, we get draw.bind, but when it comes to training model, then what we do? When we do a training model, we use brain, and the brain itself is being utilized from the neural network. And this neural network is essentially coming from ML5, which is good. So the postnet from ML5, that's not the one, definitely. Um, Let me have a quick look into one more thing actually. So if I go to check ML5 postnet, I gotta see what is the current trajectory that they have. So maybe we don't even need to use that if that's updated. Hmm, definitely yes. So reference postnet, right? So this postnet is actually what we are using. What I want to see is how long has it been since they have used it. So the last push that they did was 2 months ago. Then they also did a bump to 0.7.1. But the thing is that mm, we ended up doing something. If I'm correct, I did post a PR as well, which was, let's see, author. Yeah, I did submit a PR, and that has not been even looked at yet. So we needed to do all of this in order to make it work, to download on save. And if we don't do that, then our version, that it doesn't work. Taiji, yes, I stream on multiple platforms. Did you get answer to your question, Taishi? So I'm gonna have to update my branch. So that means that I can go to my own version, which is this one, and my branch is 2 commits ahead of main. That is fine. But then what I'm thinking now is, how was I using the ML5JS? So, all right, let's do this. First of all, I'm going to get rid of all of this because it doesn't make sense right now to do all of this. So let's get rid of this. I'm going to do this status, remove this guy as well. Status, and let's say ml5.js. So I do have ml5. I'm using, oh, I'm using p5.js, or maybe not. So I should be using a script that was in here somewhere. Logger main.ts, this here. Then we had another file. As far as I remember, it was probably inside app, or maybe around here, index.html. Please upload GitHub crash course. Okay, I'm gonna have a look into it. Sure, I'm gonna have a look into it. So I'm using the ML5.js in the node modules. Um, and I'm also using, I'm confused on one thing. I remember we are using some sort of variation of this ML5.js, and now I can't find it. Core module, electron. That's not the one. Assets. There we go, ml5.min.js. So we should be using ml5.min. There we go. So here we are using ml5.min.js into home component and collection component as well. And here we are doing a lot of things like the neural network, postnet. We are doing a lot of things from there, and we need this ml5.min.js essentially to work with everything. So let's quickly fix that and see. Maybe if we just update from the latest one, we should be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and first of all look at this. So I should probably have ml5 dot library ml5 javascript test. No, that's not the one. So let's quickly try and clone it out. I'm gonna do this. Git checkout ml5 library. Oh, git clone. What happened to my git? All right, let's see. So I'm pretty sure once I get a hang of it, we're gonna be working with a better thing. So let's see. So my branch, or did it update my branch or this branch? Let's see. So I was in the PR view and I upgraded my one, so it actually did. All right, so it kind of got into my branch. So this is the branch that we have, and we're gonna have to look into the branch name. So that's the branch name. So we're gonna do a code ml5 library, open it, and then we are going to update it. So we're gonna do git checkout. Oops. Git check out this, and we can generate the ml5 file now by doing something like, so first of all I'm going to run the npm I. Then we also need to see what was the command for running the distribution. So it's pre-built, develop, start, lint. Mohammed Bilal is asking, what are you doing? We are working on um, a project with machine learning and Angular, which detects your posture and helps you sit straight while you're working. So that's what we are doing right now. And what I do in this application that we are talking about, we actually use camera, and we also do some magic of saving the model, the neural network model, into our system. But the original library does not do that, so I had to create my own version of this library, the ml5 library. So we are currently looking into that, updating it, and then we are going to see how it works out. Okay, I hope that answers the question, Bilal. Okie dokie. So I'm gonna let this finish. Thanks you, Biro. No problem. Make sure to react to the stream if you have not. That really helps the stream, and share it so others can join as well. Right after we are going to be done with this, we're probably gonna we're probably gonna look into something else as well. But yeah. And hey, did you know we already uploaded a new video today? Do you know? Have you checked out the new video, chat? Have you checked out the video chat? No, come on. All right, first let me build this application. So it's going to be npm run build. And while this is happening, we already have a new video, an amazing video. I believe this is perhaps one of my best videos so far when it comes to machine or not machine learning, but data structures and algorithm. My mind is stuck right now on machine learning, and it should be actually here. This guy, the latest video
Do
with
you want to grow your YouTube channel? Do you want to earn more views,
yes,
more
please
subscribers, more watch time?
help me,
How would you
sir.
like this? Make more money
Help
with
me
YouTube and
update
grow your
my
content for years
YouTube
to come.
channel and make more money.
But while a lot of people
So I'm gonna be this one. So we are actually gonna work with doubly linked list in this video, which is super cool. It's a super cool concept on how you build that with JavaScript. And I personally like this video because I'm saying that this is probably one of my best data structure videos. Is I used a really cool tool in this, which allowed me to write directly on the screen. You see these arrows? So if I do something like this, see this. Ooh, look at that. So yeah, this is because we use this really cool tool. So I was able to explain things much better using this pen tool. If you're interested in knowing what the tool is, let me know. But yeah, this is an amazing video that has really cool concepts. So I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna go to my ML5 library, see what is working and what is not. So we created our chunks, which means that we should have a dist folder now and ml5.min.js as well. I'm gonna copy this guy, go back to my app, which is this one, go to the ml5.min.js, 5.min. Why doesn't it get it? That's weird. The file exists right here. Ahsan, I've liked and subbed. Thank you, Binary. I hope you find the videos interesting. Hopefully. So right now, it's this, and I change that so it becomes this. Right? Super cool. Save this. No, don't run prettier on it. No, 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 no. Save the file without formatting, please. If you're gonna run prettier on this thing, it's gonna be a disaster. Alright guys, time for the what? Oh, my bad. Time for the truth. We're gonna see if this works with the new ML5. Maybe that's more accurate than what I currently have. But yeah, we're gonna find out in about a couple of seconds. Yeah, both English videos are on schedule. I have to watch them. Super cool. Let me know what you think about those videos once you have watched them. The next thing that I'm gonna probably work on is gonna be trees. Trees in JavaScript, more likely the binary search tree, and then we are going to go forward from there, and we are going to do some like searching algorithms and whatnot. So I have a couple of things planned, so yeah, don't worry about that. Hey Asan, did you know I have a coding project in every language? That sounds good, but what are you trying to achieve from it? Are you trying to create a Guinness World Record where you are the only person who has a project in every language? Or is it because you're just looking to create projects in every language because you like to do so? What's the challenge here? NX Electron, yay! NX, yay! It's called the Hello World project. That sounds great. I could never do that. It's too tough for me. So kudos. Let's go. Have I missed any channel redeems today? Because if I have, that's gonna be very sad. No, I have not. That's good. That is good. That is good. Remove that. Move that. Remove that. Remove that. Hype CSS. Oh, hype style. Look at that. I also had to check the meme box. I haven't checked this out yet. Do you think we should try the meme box app here? Someone from the community built it. All right, so this is what it has. Now the key point estimation in this one is okayish. Is okayish. Is okayish. Can you still hear me? I think you can. So see the eyes and the nose. It's quite close, but it's not really close, and that's what I don't understand. Maybe it's the camera. I'm not sure. Maybe it's the camera itself. If I come close, would it? So if I can come close, at least the nose is there, but the eyes are still up. If I remove my glasses, then it's here, but it's still above, right? Although it can still estimate everything correctly. Have you guys seen the demo yet of this or not? I can also draw more points. So chat, help me out. Help me out with what we should do show in the demo. We have a couple of key points. We have the left ear, the right ear. Then we also have like um nose. We have right ankle, right ear, right eye, right elbow. We got shoulders as well. So shoulders I already drew the things, but we don't have the wrist, so we could also do wrist. And we also have like, what do you call it? Yeah, this is called elbow, right? So shoulder to elbow, elbow to wrist. We could do that, right? Maybe just put the right elbow here. Let's actually draw that. So we are gonna go ahead and we are drawing draw. Let's draw this then. So we have a line from left shoulder to right shoulder. We are also gonna take out right wrist, left wrist, then right elbow, left elbow, okay? And then we are going to try some lines here. Do I have the main TS already open? No, we don't. So we're gonna say that we add a line from the left shoulder to the left elbow and left elbow, right? So I'm gonna save this without formatting. So it's gonna be a left shoulder to left elbow. Let's see this. So you see now we got this guy here. Yay! We're also gonna draw some other things as well. So we are going to draw the left shoulder to left elbow, and then no, where is it going? So now it's confused if I do this, it doesn't know if my hand is going down or if it's here because of the black cloth, but now it does. So all right, let's add more things here. So maybe add another line from the left elbow to from the left elbow to the left wrist. And let's see this. So here you see we got this. So that's good. So it now detects my wrist. I'm gonna have to wear a t-shirt when I'm demoing this, so my demo works flawlessly in that case. Okay, we're gonna do this as well. We're gonna draw. Actually, you know what? I should actually take this all out before. Then I should also say nose. And then I should just use those things here. Nose, left shoulder, left eye, right eye. Then we have left elbow, right elbow, left wrist, right wrist. What else? Am I missing anything? Maybe we could also have ears, you know? Maybe we could also have ears. Let's see. It failed. Of course it failed. Because I made a mistake. Is that is that why? Mouth. I don't know if we have mouth here. I don't think so we have that. What does it say here? Cannot find the name left eye. Okay. Oh, we don't have left eye. You are right, my sir. Left eye, right eye. And now it's gonna say, I'm working with a prettier. No, don't work with a prettier. Let me save this. So, let's see now. So now, you see we got this dot as well. We got the right wrist as well, and then we got the others as well. And now we are not only, we're just not having that, what do you call it? Sudarshan, how are you? I'm good. How about you? So we just don't have these lines that we need to draw from our elbow to shoulder and then shoulder to wrist. So let's quickly draw them. I'm going to quickly draw a line from, so we got this guy. So it should be right elbow, or actually right shoulder. You know what? We could actually, I don't know. We could actually make this reusable. We could say something like this dot, um, what do you call it? This dot create shoulder lines, create arm or lines. And then we provide left shoulder, shoulder, left wrist, left, no, shoulder, left elbow, left wrist. I'm just trying to reuse this. And then we say create arm lines. Okay. And then here we do this. So we get shoulder here, elbow here, and wrist here. So we can reuse this exact same function twice. So we don't have to do that again. Right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist. Okay. And when we do so, we just need to reuse this shoulder, shoulder, then elbow, elbow, then elbow, elbow, wrist, wrist. So we got the shoulder to elbow and elbow to wrist. This doesn't need to be here. We could also remove these and maybe create them here as well. I could do like this, something like this. So shoulder, right shoulder. Then we got left eye, left elbow, left wrist, right wrist. So that would mean that we are going to use shoulder, shoulder, elbow, wrist, wrist. And that should be good. I'm learning Angular each and every day. That is really good. Hi, so how somehow I managed to solve my problem form data about which I asked from you. That's really good. So you were able to send form data to your server. That is good. Good to know. Let's see. Let's see. And now it's confusing my microphone with my hand. So this is good. Maybe we need to create these lines as well. Or maybe just this. I don't know. So it's my nose, but then there are my shoulders. So maybe, I don't know. We probably need nose and chin for this. But I'm not too sure. Because I think the main factor here is a lot of things. So the right pose and the wrong pose. Um, but I think we are at a very good start. Should I also get ears? Left ear, right ear, and then let's add this left ear. That is the beauty of programming. You can just add small lines. Once you have established a good base, then you get a really strong line here. Awesome, that sounds great. And now we got ears as well, although it doesn't really look like it's an ear, but I mean it's close to my ear. It's not 100% close. And it depends from camera to camera, you know. The thing is, the good thing is that it's always consistent. So right now, I think it's still good. Oh no. All right. Okay. So now we got the shoulders and other things fixed up. I think we're good. So now if I toggle the demo, then it should go away. And now I should be able to just gather information. Brown dude, yes, I can. The microphone is a dynamic microphone, so I have to be really close to it so you can hear me, right? I think you should be able to hear me just fine now. Let me know if that's not the case. Yoram, thank you so much for the hydrate claim. Yeah, I was trying to show the demo. But yeah, this should be fine. So let's see.
Sit in the correct position, look at the monitor. Sit in the correct position and tilt your face left and right.
Okie dokie.
Sit in the correct position and tilt your face up and down.
That's a good question. So the thing is blue. The thing is, um, when it comes to the face, if we are working with a specific person, this detection would be different for that person. But the good thing is that, and Brown Dude, thank you so much for the subscription with Prime. Highly appreciate it. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the club. And hope you enjoy what you're watching. So when it comes to, the face, the good thing is that it depends on the camera. because I see different angles in different cases. I can show you what I had. I probably removed that, but I at least had it. So let me show you that in my second camera. So let me show you this. So on my other camera on my laptop, this is how it shows, and I'm gonna have to refresh this actually so I can show you what I have. Can I go to cam only? And let's see if I can activate my camera. No, I can't because my app is using that. Now I should be able to. Yes. So this is what I get in the other one. Do you see? That is so much accurate. The eyes are on point, the nose is on point, and the shoulders are on point as well. So the thing is, on different cameras, the result is different. That's the first thing. On different cameras, the results are different. But also, one more important thing is that for every phase, the results are different as well. But the good thing is that the results are consistent. So if you're gonna train this model with a particular approach or with a particular training set, when you're gonna run the results again the classification model, that's gonna be that's gonna be good as well. So yeah, just something to keep in mind. So I'm gonna rerun my application now. I'm gonna quickly try to go through the demo, and I think we should be good then, right? So let's try this. The demo that I have to give is in about it's tomorrow 7:30 a.m. Central Eastern Time, Europe. So I'm gonna be giving the demo then. But yeah, I'm super excited because it's gonna be the Git commit show. I'm not sure if they have updated the name list still. Maybe they have not. Commit show. That might have to do with the focal length of the camera. They tend to be shorter on laptop cameras since. Could be. Do you mean if I try to come close to the camera, that's gonna fix it for me? If that's the case, then that's gonna be awesome. But I tried that and it didn't work. It's probably something else. It's probably not the focal length, but maybe. But probably you're right. So here everything is weird. So even if I come closer, it tends to come. It tends to be better when I come closer. You see it tries to come back to this. It's quite close now for everything. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Then this camera doesn't change that. Definitely. Definitely. But I think so far we're good with at least the demo. So what I plan to do, and you can suggest me on that as well. Um, but the idea for me is just to show about 15 minutes of presentation. And my view was just to show the pose net, just to show its estimation per se, and also then the final demo. And that's pretty much it. No need to probably do a lot of crazy stuff around this. So let's do this now in the correct manner.
Sit in the correct position, look at the monitor. Sit in the correct position and tilt your face left and right.
And I added this voice because when you're doing like this, then you don't get to know when it
Sit in the
ended.
correct position and tilt your face up and down.
So let's do that. And now we are gonna do the bad posture,
Sit with the wrong postures, look at the monitor.
which is this, the sad posture.
Sit with the wrong postures and tilt your face left and right.
And you could always do, I mean, you could always go away from your chair.
Sit with the wrong postures and tilt your face
Sad
up and
posture.
down.
It doesn't make you sad like immediately, but there would be one night when you wake up and you're like, ah, why me? And then you would recall this is why exactly. Sitting for hours and hours and hours and not getting up from your damn chair. That's why. I should probably hide this view when we are training data. It looks like it kind of makes everything slow. Is this a perfect circle fit within the loader? Can I make it? No, no, no. Almost there. Almost centered. Almost centered. No. It's tough. By the way, do you know we have a really cool game called Drop? Have you tried the Drop game yet? That is something that we need to open source. Hey, after the training data, what's happening? Yes, that's the one I'm talking about. Did I mess up with something that I don't know? So if you hit this, the dot, you actually end up getting some score and you get to show yourself on the leaderboard. All right, so the training data did finish, but we didn't go anywhere. So let's see. Let's see what happened. So we got the train model here. Once the model is trained, we do a finish training and then it goes inside here, print save, does all of that. It should have actually finished this. Finished. Training data finished. Yeah, there. So it should have saved the model and then it should have this and then it should have done that. So what happened there exactly? Postnet on pose. Get away from me. And it's really hard to hit all those targets, but if you do a drop with a lot of emojis, you have a chance. So you can actually use a lot of emojis at once from the chat. You could do something like this. Drop and then pick all the emojis that you can. And then there's chaos in the chat. Just like that. Now you can hit as many as you want, but only OpenCV libraries for post detection, not yet. I was mostly looking into TensorFlow and was looking into how we can implement there.
Sit in the correct position, look at the monitor.
I'm gonna hide the, or actually lower down the desktop audio so you don't have to hear that. So let's see, it's gonna go there. Is there a particular OpenCV library that you want me to look at? Because I was thinking of using TensorFlow JS, which seems much updated. They do have a MoveNet um, post detector or a Blaze move post detector as well. So I'm probably gonna have a look at that. The postnet and the Blaze move or the Blaze model, and then there's MoveNet. So I'm gonna definitely look into that. Left and right. I was hoping to try and get something out of VTubers. That's interesting. I'm gonna look into that as well. as I get some time. I don't usually get into ML much, but this was a side project that I wanted to do for fun as well with my brother, and it turned out really good. So once this is finished training, we should get this function triggered, and then we should have all of this as well. So we got the handler triggered, then it tried to save the model, which I hope it does. So it looks like it sends this message. Oh, so it's not doing that. Why isn't it doing that? Um so it's not sending the message to finished training. If that's the case, then we are gonna have to reset our MLJS. But it should have done it, to be honest. Can we reset it? Do we have to reset it from here? And my camera died. Let me fix that real quick. What is a VTuber, by the way? Is that a virtual YouTube or what? It's gonna be git or cd ng posture buddy and then git checkout source assets ml5 min.js. So then we should be updating this and running this. They just overlay a virtual model in the place of an actual webcam. Oh, okay. What would be a practical example of using that? When would you use that? Like AI generated Instagram. Would it be for live streaming or sort of probably something that you would use in metaverse? Like what Facebook showed in their introductory video? Is that something? So in that case, you would get an item or get information from a cam, and then on the other side, you are essentially reflecting that model exactly. Most likely, okay. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. It's usually for live streaming, it's just a way to avoid putting your face on the internet. Oh, I got it now. I think I saw some YouTubers, or not YouTubers, but some streamers who have like uh what do you call it? Like the fox sort of mascot. So when they speak, exactly, the avatars copy YouTuber's fake expression. Yes, exactly, yes, that one. Got you, yes. So yeah, I think I've seen some people. Is it really popular now? Or is it something that still is in the works? It's on Steam. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. That's gonna be fun. That's really interesting. I think it's gonna heavily be used in metaverse then, for sure. It's 100% metaverse material then. Did you also see that they tried to create or they're trying to create a hand glove? I mean Facebook, which can feel things that are in the virtual realm. That was super dope. Have you seen that yet? Facebook building a glove that lets you feel the items in metaverse. This one. And I don't have the desktop video open, so because right now you don't see the person itself, but I don't think it's really far uh, when it really becomes a reality. Okay, okay, yeah, got you. Priority solutions usually cost money and cost more computational than necessary. Yeah, you're right. Mubashir Khan, walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. How are you, Mubashir? How are you doing today? All right, let's see. So we're gonna go ahead and do the model thingy again. Let's see.
Sit in the correct position, look at the monitor.
No.
Sit in the correct
Okay.
position and tilt your face left and right. Sit in the correct position and tilt your face up and down.
I'm fine, Mubashir. I'm doing good. We are almost about to wrap up the stream.
Sit with the wrong postures,
But it
look
has
at the
been fun
monitor.
today. I mean, I've enjoyed the stream today. All right.
Sit with the wrong postures and tilt your face left and right.
So now it's gonna be this, this.
Sit with the wrong postures and tilt your face up and down.
And it's on Steam. It's called Face Rig. Okay. I'm gonna have a look. Finish training. So we have reverted our ML5 library to my version because that supports downloading downloading the model to a particular place. So that would mean that once the training data is done, this should allow us to do so. And I don't know why they have not accepted my PR so far. So if I save this, there we go. You get a message automatically. So this is what I built, and hopefully they merge my PR soon. So it renders this, it removes all of the stuff, sends the model files, get the data back, go to home page, and now we are sure to check the data. Now if I'm still sitting like my back is curved like this, that's not the right posture. But also right now, since it's not on the training data, it doesn't detect it because I didn't train it with that data. But if I did, that would have been working. Now I'm still in the wrong posture, and now if I try to sit up, you see that it gets the correct posture. So the idea for this would be just to, I mean, if I start looking here, 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 you see that the more data that you would give it, the more analyzed it would be. Right now, it's more towards 100%. The way the application works right now is it detects how long have you been in the wrong posture. For instance, if I'm doing like this, but then I do this, so I'm not really sitting in the wrong posture for a long time. And you heard that sound, the notification, that is actually the sound of my notification. I don't know if I can take it here. No, I cannot bring it to my other page, but let me actually show you. Let's open Paint because that is fun. So here you see at the bottom this guy has it. So this is the notification that you get in about 1 minute, if you are not sitting correctly. And it says electron app electron. So that's fine for now. So this is all that I'm gonna demo. I'm gonna just create some slides around it, throw some ideas, throw some screenshots around, and then we should be good for the git commit show. I think the only things that I actually require are the screenshots. So maybe just create some screenshots, right? So if we do retrain, then it comes here, and then we can do something like this. So the shoulders, probably gonna take this guy out, and then maybe just take some screenshots like this. Paint. Or we do have the snap too. Why I'm so stupid? Snapping too. Let's do that. So here I'm gonna first increase this. Okay. Then I'm gonna just take a snip. And now we can have this taken out just like this. Save this. And I'm not sitting in the right direction. So I need to sit straight. It's not telling me that, hey, sit straight. I'm gonna have to bring back my microphone because I need to keep it close. Lakchan, have you ever worked with drone and facial recognition? No, I have not, Lakchan. Have you worked with that yet? Or do you work with that? I have not, unfortunately. Also, SN, can you do Windows Shift? So screenshots, so just drag the selected screenshot. Windows Shift S, just like this. Ooh, and then do this. This is cool. I didn't know about that. Cool, cool, cool. But Spot got we got the same mind, yeah. But Spot is the friendliest bot in the world, so he's gonna follow you wherever you go. All right, let's see. And that takes a screenshot. Okay. So it saved this to the clipboard. That is all good. Okay. So that you like that bot? Okay. Sounds good. You can talk to the Budspot, you know. If you say Budspot yes, it smiles back. And you could say Budspot no, and it becomes sad. So if you wanna interact with him, for sure, for sure. All right, everyone. So we got this. I'm gonna quickly push the code because so far it looks good to me. So I'm gonna quickly see what do we have here. So git status. We're gonna have to see what is changed in my. You have a bot too. Is it also Budspot? git diff. So we got some of the other things in there. We are good. Git add, commit, sure, collecting, add some more data points to draw, and I think we are good there. So I'm gonna push this code, and uh, I'm gonna later work with the slides themselves. Why did you pick Flutter over React Native? It depends. It really depends, you know. Discard, discard, discard. Um, so it depends on what you're trying to do. To be honest, I would pick Flutter in case of libraries, depending on the situation. If it's, I mean, it depends. Flutter has sort of a really good performance in terms of like when you're rendering, when you're doing animations. I personally am a big fan of JavaScript. I like JavaScript more, so it would be cases. It would be a lot of cases when I would prefer um, React Native over Flutter. So it depends. I mean, it depends on the choice. They both do the same thing. I usually try Flutter whenever I feel like it or when the project demands it. React Native is more suited for um, let's say if I'm feeling that this project can reuse some of the components or reuse some of the business logics, then I usually go with React Native, or if the client wants it. So yeah, it really depends. It really depends. All right, so I'm gonna paste this. And again, if you have not checked out the W linked list video, go and check out if you're interested in JavaScript, data structures, and whatnot. So I am going to quickly see who we have live. All right. So tell me one thing, chat. Do we frameworks war 1928? So what is the current width is 800 and then 600, right? 800 by 600. No. What is the resolution that is less than 1080? Is it 1024 and 768, or is it something else with the aspect ratio of 6 by 9? 720p. What is it's 720 into 1024, right? Is that 1336 into 768? 1336 into 768. Yeah, so bad. You're absolutely right. Yeah, I'm fixing the drop game, or not the drop game, but its resolution per se. So it ends up being a bit better. Into 1920, it seemed a bit weird. So if I say drop now, my rockets should be a bit bigger. Yeah, on stream now they are a bit bigger. But previously they were even more. You were right. Yeah, binary, you're definitely right. So it's 720p and 768. Around the same. So let's play a quick round of drop before we leave. Or do you want to join a game with me? There's a really cool game that I want to play with you folks right here. And we can all be there. I think there can be 6 people at one time. And I would be really glad if we play this together. So let's see. There's a really cool game called, what is it called? And now I can't remember the game. Smash Cards. Smashcards.io. For now, no. Smash cards sometimes feels weird on my PC, but let's try this. Round timer is going to be 3 minutes. Free for all. Teams nah. Bots nah. Weapons all. Arena random. Only players on 0.9.0 and above can join. Okay, that's fine. So, everyone, are you ready? I said, are you ready? I don't have the voice to do that. No, I actually shared the wrong link. But anyways, let's do that as well. So let's crash, start your engines. Let's go. The room is this. You gotta join this and make sure that you join the room correctly, and then you can join that, okay? So I'm waiting for everyone to join now and come in. So a quick rim. You press the space button and that's how you get it. You fire like this. Should I change my name? Can I change my name right now? Can I change my name here? Real quick? No. Alright, Ubad, waiting for you. Where is everyone? Oh. Come back. How do I join? There's a link in the chat. Come on, guys, come on. Let's do it. Ooh, I missed all of those. Woo! Let's go. Alright, guys. Better luck next time. I should have used my name. I don't know why do I not have my name. Come back. Obed, come back. Ooh, that was close. No. That's so close. Ooh. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Ooh, no. Come on, come on. Oh no! Oh no! Almost got him, almost. Oh shit, no, 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 no! You guys are getting better, you guys are getting better. No! Come on. No one's getting on my on my. Come back. Oh no! That was close. What do you think about Salesforce developer, Salesforce market? It's good. Alright guys, last round. It's gonna be last round for us. Try to win this one. Salesforce is a good market. It's something that not everyone uses, but it's a good market. Ooh, 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 no. Oh no! Player 5102, is that you, binary? Because it feels like it's you. Shit. There you go. Ooh, I gotta get out of here. Oh, run! Run! How are you alive, Barber? There you go. Oh no! No! Oh, Obed is doing really good. Obed, you're close. I gotta find those folks now. Hello. Hello. Sorry, Babar. Come on, come on, come on. No. Ooh. How are you folks alive? No, 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 no. Oh, Obed, you're on top. That sounds good. So Obed is a gamer. There we go. Oh, 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 oh. Short target. Oh, no. 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 15 seconds, come on. Oh no! I was so close. Good work. Let's go with. All right, folks. I'm gonna wrap up for today. I gotta go. So thank you so much for joining. Player 5102 was me. You played well. You played well. I got you sometimes, but you played really well. Obed played really well. Actually beat me really good at the end. But this is fun. I think we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this more. What do you think about it? We should play these games more often, maybe. Alhamdulillah. All right, let's quickly see who's online, who's working on JavaScript. The stream is very late night. Brown dude, where are you exactly from? And now we are in sort of an inception. Let's see who's live. I am live. Looks like no one is live. Is it only me who's working right now? Web development, software and game development, programming. Hmm. Most of these are actually web development streams. Let's search React, maybe? Is anyone working with React? No. Let's go back to JavaScript. So we got Pirate Software. We got Auroral Games. And we don't have anyone else. Do you know anyone who is... Click on the Twitch icon. I clicked on the Twitch icon. And here you mean the software and game development. That's the only one. Rust and React. But then it's not all of them are English. No mic, text only. If you know anyone that we should be doing such tags, there you go. That's a good one. Live coding JavaScript. Lara View says, this sounds interesting. But it's Russian. And we wouldn't understand, or most of the people will not understand what's happening. Maybe this. Let's see.
Dreams grow up. Отлично. Зачем-то рубрик. Ну ладно.
Yeah, it's Russian. We can rate Pyompi, I think. JavaScript, co-working, chill, web development, it's French. Is there no one who does it in English? Maybe we can search English as well.
Also a pixel art RPG, and we both grew up in the SNES era. So yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, it's French. Programming CMX, how to build deploy, run profile. Profitable web apps in JavaScript. Interesting. There's one viewer and he is doing something. Include web dev 2, web development. Then I got only 2 of those. Or should I just do maybe web development and English? There we go. AFK eating, ASP.NET Core, 7 viewers, making video. away2.dev, non-serious web dev sounds great, ASP.NET Core. So let's quickly look at what's happening. Sorry. They're building a game, away2.dev. TS-based web framework, away2. Also watch videos, news, enjoy various music. Interesting. Is that Angular I see? No, it's not. It's JavaScript.
There's something should be with authorization. I can feel that.
Alright, let's raid this person, I think. And let's get done with it.
Ooh, it's a bag. It should be shown instantly, but it's not.
Alright, everyone. Today's stream was a blast. Thank you so much for joining.
Consider it.
And I'm gonna look at you later, or we're gonna do some more of the streaming this Wednesday. But yeah, thank you everyone for joining. I'm gonna see you later. Bye, and also happy weekend. Let's do this.
Let's make it like logout. Admin 123. Should be Joker. Create new block. No, actually it's not available instantly. Oh boy. Why the hell it's not available instantly? Hello there, Mr. Ahsan. It's really pronounces like Ahsan? Wait a second. Thank you for the follow. Much appreciate that. I'm gonna check how it should be pronounced. Pronounce it right? I'm gonna argue with the Google. Hold a second.
Ahsan.
It's Ahsan actually. Ahsan. No, not a share. Ahsan says.
Ahsan.
It should be Ahsan.
Ahsan.
Google says it's Ahsan. I can't remember how it was for the first.
Ahsan.
So on the first part, Ahsan. Okay.
Check it here.
Let's consider it has been solved. The question
Muhammad
has
Ahsan
been
Ayaz.
solved right now. How can I check it like pronunciation in there?
They have a feature.
Seems like it's prohibited in Russia.
In
No, it actually sounds like something Arabic not Indian. Google Translate says it's something from Arabic.
it is Arabic, yes.
Tak. Now I have the other question. Why it's not showed instantly? Because it's a fucking link. I can't get the idea. It's a fucking link. That's the problem. But I need to invoke render. And that's shit. They have a feature. I don't know. I can't go to the link then. Unfortunately, it's not available in Russia. Tak. But if I'm gonna refresh it, it's actually the tricky part about the links on the Mongoose. The user itself is not available instantly if it's a link, like this kind of a link. I I can do the trick in this case. I can add the username manually on the backend part, and it's gonna be the part of the schema. Then it's gonna be the part of the backend call, and